Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to completely uninstall driver support 1 in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Driver Support 1, click Uninstall. Click Yes to continue. Click Uninstall. Type Malwarebytes. Click Free Download. Click Download Free. Click Settings. Click Account tab. Click Deactivate. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.